Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Do you want to remove the background of your picture easily without the hassle of any complicated software? So stick around, I'll show you how. Simply you need to open your Play Store from your mobile. Then you need to search for remove BG. And after finding this app, you need to install it and then open it. And after opening it, you simply need to click on the upload image, and then you need to give some permissions. Then go to your gallery, select any image, and boom, see how quickly your background is removed. Now you can easily download it to use it in any of your project or anything, or you can simply click on edit and you can change the background from here. So you can choose any nice background and see how easy it is. So simply click on the top right corner and download it. So if this video is helpful for you, subscribe my channel and explore my channel for more informative videos.